Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am here with the new topic chemical equation class 10 chapter 1. Chemical equation represents the chemical reaction. Chemical equation represents the chemical reaction. It means if when we add two chemicals, then a reaction takes place. है ना? This is called chemical reaction. Whole is called chemical reaction. Okay. Chemical unbalanced chemical equation is called skeletal chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation is called skeletal chemical equation. It means, look, here is reactant, here is product. Okay, when two chemicals react, then we called it reactant, then we got the new product is called product. Okay, here magnesium has one atom, oxygen has two atoms. Here after product, here magnesium is one and oxygen is also one. Here oxygen is two, here oxygen is one. It means chemical is not balanced. Chemical is unbalanced, so we called it skeletal chemical equation. Here also, in the reactant, Zn is 1. Here also Zn is 1. H has 2 atoms. Here also H has 2 atoms. S has 1 atom. Here S has 1 atom. Here O has 4 atoms. Here O has 4 atoms. Then we call it balanced chemical equation. Okay. Unbalanced यानी कि skeletal chemical equation. Chemical equation and balanced chemical equation when all the atoms are same in the reactant and in the product also. Now question is here, how do we balance the chemical equation? How do we balance the chemical equation? Yes, here I have already told you that number of atoms of element in the reactant is equal to the number of atom of element in the product. Okay, here also same, here that much atom of the element, here also be also same atom in of that element. Here I came with new example, Zn plus H2SO4, ZnSO4 plus H2, the same equation. First, we write here elements. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements which Zn zinc, hydrogen H, sulfur S and oxygen O. Number of atoms of reactant. अब यहाँ पे देखिए Zn का कितना एटम है, ओनली 1 है, या कुछ नहीं है. इट मीन्स here 1 we have. Okay, here 1 we write here 1. Here hydrogen has 2 atoms. Here we write here 2. Okay. Sulfur only 1 atom here, 1 atom. Oxygen has 4 atoms. Oxygen has 4 atoms here. So we write here 4. Now in the product, Zn also 1, sulfur is 1. Okay, oxygen is 4 and hydrogen is 2. It means these equations are balanced equation. Okay, now come to next equation. Fe plus H2O, Fe3O4 plus H2. If we add 2 chemical, it means iron element, and H2O, it means water. ओके। आयरन प्लस वाटर को जब हमने ऐड किया तो हमने क्या पाया, आयरन 2,3 ऑक्साइड, आयरन 2,3 ऑक्साइड. Another name is black iron oxide, and another name is also magnetite iron oxide. Sorry, magnetite ferrospheric oxide. Here it has three names here: black iron oxide, iron 2,3 oxide, and magnetite ferrospheric oxide. Okay. Now in the reactant we have iron. We have element iron, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, we have three elements. Here we also have three elements. How much iron? Fe. Fe. Iron is atom of iron is 1. Hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1. In the reactant we have iron is 3, okay, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 4 here. Now we have to look the difference. Okay, which has larger difference? 3 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. Now here we have larger the difference. So first we have to multiply it with 4 to make oxygen 4 atom. Now number of atom in the reactant of oxygen is 4 and the product is also is 4. Now we have to write here 4. ऑक्सीजन 4 करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 4 कर देंगे. ओके. Now our oxygen is 4 but our hydrogen become 8. Our hydrogen become what? 8. 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. So we have to write here 4 to make it 8. Okay. Now 2 4 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8. Okay. Now here our iron is 3 and here our iron is 1. So to make it 3 we will have to multiply in the reactant 3. Okay. Now put it here 3. Now our equation becomes balance equation. Okay. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Okay. Now how do we have to balance the chemical equation of photosynthesis? Important. Now as I told you earlier, first write the element. First is carbon, second is oxygen and last is hydrogen. Okay. Number of atom in reactant. So how many carbon? 1. How many oxygen? 3. 2 and 1. 3. Here hydrogen is only 2. In the product we have carbon 6, oxygen 8 and hydrogen 12. Now as I told you earlier, to make the difference, now 6 minus 1 5, okay, 8 minus 3 5 and 12 minus 2 10. So we will start from here. To make it 12, 2 6 12. So we will write here 6. Now come to the next. To make carbon 6, we have to multiply it with 6. Okay. Then write here 6. Now if you are able to recognize that our oxygen becomes 6 but our our carbon becomes 6, but our oxygen becomes 6 to 12. 6 to 12 plus 6. The 12 plus 6 become 18. Now we have to make here oxygen atom 18. Now how much we have oxygen here? 6 and plus 2. Okay, 8. So we will do here 6. We will add here 6 atom of oxygen now. 6 to 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Now, here the same number of element of oxygen, atom of oxygen, here is also 18, here is also 18. So, this is the balanced chemical equation of photosynthesis. Thank you.